Hey guys, welcome back. Today's project is changing out these old, dull, dim turn signal bulbs that come from the factory on this 2020 Toyota Tacoma. So let's get started. Okay, so this is the upgrade I'm going to be using. These are the T3 series LED lights from Lasfit. They are supposed to be much brighter than the original stock bulbs, and they eliminate hyperflash. So let's get the box open and see exactly what's inside. Simple to open. Bulbs just slide right out, and you also have a product manual. Take a closer look at the bulb. Lots of little LEDs on there. Has the Lasfit logo on top. Now I'm going to go ahead and show you how to replace the bulb. Okay, so we're going to start on the driver's side. Behind the headlight housing, you'll see your socket is right here. We're going to grab that firmly and turn counterclockwise. When you hear a click, pull straight out, and you have your bulb here. Hold firmly on this socket, grab the bulb firmly, just wiggle it a little bit, pull it back and forth, and it'll pull right out. Now to install the new Lasfit LED bulb, just push it in, clicks in. Now before I put the socket back in the housing, I'm going to turn on the hazards just to make sure if it lights up, we're good to go. If it don't light up, you're going to need to take your bulb back out and turning around and put it back in. Now it didn't light up, so now I have to take the bulb out, turn it around, put it back in, and then we're going to check one more time to make sure it lights up. And as you can see, it lit up. Now, we're going to put the bulb back in. Just rotate it gently. Once it falls into place, turn it clockwise. Once it locks in, you're all set. Okay, to show you a side-by-side comparison between the two bulbs, your factory bulb and the new LED bulb from Lasfit. Old and dull, new and bright. Now we're going to repeat the process on the passenger side. Grab your socket, turn counterclockwise. Once it clicks, pull out. Pull your old bulb out. The new LED Lasfit bulb, plug in. Go ahead and turn your hazards on to test the bulb to see if it lights up. If not, then we got to flip it around. I'm just going to set that right there. Since it didn't light up, that means it needs to be flipped around. Now that's all set. We'll go ahead and slowly turn until it goes in. Turn it clockwise until it clicks. Now the new bulb's installed. Now here I'm just showing you a quick look at the before and the after. As you can see, they are much brighter than the original stock bulbs from the factory. Alright guys, that's all there's to it. The bulbs were easy to change out. The Lasfit LED bulbs are fantastic, much more brighter. To me, that means much more safer. I'll leave a link in the description to where you can find these bulbs. Also, if you end up getting them, let me know what you think of them in the comments. And until again, I'll see you next time. So thank you for watching.